Are you tired of seeing hair everywhere on your pillow, your comb, and your bathroom floor? What if I told you could stop hair fall naturally in just 7 days? Hi, I'm Ayesha from Ayesha Home Remedies, and today I'll share a 100% natural, chemical-free 7-day routine that can drastically reduce hair fall without spending a fortune. Day-by-day hair fall control plan. Day 1. Coconut oil plus onion juice treatment. Mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil with 1 tablespoon of fresh onion juice. Massage it into your scalp for 10 minutes. Leave it on for 1 hour, then rinse with a mild shampoo. This boosts blood circulation and strengthens roots. Day 2. Aloe Vera Scalp Mask. Aloe vera is a miracle plant. Extract fresh gel, apply it to your scalp, and leave it for 30 minutes. It soothes your scalp and promotes hair regrowth. Day 3. Amla and Yogurt Hair Pack. Mix 2 tablespoons of amla powder with yogurt to form a paste. Apply it all over your hair. It nourishes your scalp with vitamin C and stops breakage. Day 4. Scalp Massage with warm oil. Massage your scalp with warm almond or mustard oil. Use your fingertips in circular motion. This improves blood flow and strengthens roots. Day 5. Herbal Rinse green tea or neem water. Use cooled green tea or neem water as a final rinse after shampoo. Both are rich in antioxidants and fight scalp infections. Day 6. Egg plus olive oil hair mask. Take 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix well and apply for 30 minutes. This gives your hair protein and shine. Day 7. Rice water rinse. Soak rice overnight. Strain the water, let it ferment for a few hours. Rinse your hair with this powerful remedy. It strengthens hair follicles and reduces breakage. Bonus tips. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Avoid heat styling tools. Use a satin pillowcase. Eat almonds, flax seeds, and spinach for hair-friendly nutrients. Try this 7-day routine and let your hair do the talking. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ayesha.